In this video, I will show you the settings where you can change the way your external links open in WordPress. So let's take this example. Focus on this particular link, Effective Time Management. Whenever I click on it, it opens in the same tab. But personally, I would rather have it open in a different tab, such as this one. As you can see, once I click on it, it opens a brand new tab. And to make this change is very easy. Just log into WordPress dashboard and then let me go to posts, click on all posts. Then let's find this post and click on edit. Here's this link. Let me just left click on it. And there will be another option right here. Open a new tab. You want to make sure to enable this checkbox and then update the settings. Now let's go back to the website, refresh it, and let's try it. Yeah, right now it opens in a new tab. This is how you make the change on the existing links. However, whenever you're creating the brand new link, the process is very much similar. So let me just show you. Let's go back to the edit post. Now let's add a link to this text. Essential strategies. Let's highlight it. Then click on link. Then type the link name, example.net. By default, it doesn't open a brand new tab. But again, I just have to select this option and update it. And let's check it out. Yeah, here's the link and opens a brand new tab. So this is all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.